Hey everybody, Mr. V here. We are at a job site in an undisclosed location in some place that has storage units. This is Pablo. Say hi, Pablo.
Hello.
All right. So me and Pablo came down to this storage facility in a faraway land, and it's about 6 p.m. right now or so. We've been here about an hour. We've been testing a unit to see if it works right. Tenant said that somebody said that the unit was on fire. The call that we got said the unit was flooded. So kind of makes sense, right? Fire, they put it out with water, it's flooded. But came here and we started up the system that was in question and everything works right. So let me show you what we got here. So we got this air handler. It's sitting here. You see this is a open return. We have a disconnect box located inside that air handler. You have to take that panel off to get to that disconnect box. That's a no-no. You got your contactor, your transformer, your motor, your blower, the dual blower system. Keeps it compact. Got your ductwork. It's all hanging. It goes all the way down to about right there, that last vent, right before the back of that unit. Now, they said there was smoke. Someone else said there was fire, but we see neither one. And someone else said there was water, and we see neither one. So it's been about 20 minutes. About 20 minutes we've been running this system and nothing. Let's go outside. Now, how do we find out what condenser belongs to the system? Let me show you. Right here we have line set. It's being strapped onto the ceiling. We got line set right here. We followed it from above the unit, and it's the last one on this run. This line set right here, not those two. This one. Come over here. Oh, look at that. We got a fourth one. We're right here on the middle one. Come out here. Oh, we lost them. Can't see them no more. Well, we know they're going to be in a straight line, and they'll come out right here. So, on this side, we're backwards, right? So, we're not the first one, we're not the second one, we're the third one, and not the fourth one. Sorry, got a little out of focus. So, we traced that out, and that landed right by here. See that? Look at that. All right, so came here, we'll take a look at this condenser. We're like, man, this looks pretty cool. So these are slim line units from Carrier. Bryant makes them, and so does Payne. This is a commercial system. I don't like them. Some people do, but that's besides the point. All these beautiful signs and everything were sitting right here. You can't breathe when those signs are in there. These units are sitting 8 inches away from the wall. I'm gonna look at the manufacturer's specs on that because I'm pretty sure it was 12 or 14 inches. But we checked the superheat and subcool on this to make sure there was a aftermarket TXV installed. We want to check and see if that aftermarket TXV was working right. It wasn't adjusted correctly. Our subcool is a little high. Needs to be adjusted, but then again, our refrigerant level was very low, so I don't think it's pulling that much heat out of this room. It's pretty comfortable in here. You still have multiple units like this one right here and the one at the other end that we showed you. So I don't think the refrigerant is a problem here. If it was, we'd get some icing. So let me show you this. Got ourselves a total line thermostat. It's all cracked, damaged. Someone dropped it. We get up here. We got our condenser coil. Oh, sorry, evaporator coil. Yeah, I almost forgot what I was talking about. We have our suction line. We have our capillary tubes. Look at that job. That's quality work right there. our suction line manifolds in the back, that large pipe. We got our evaporator coil and our capillary tubes going in our evac coil. We're one step above here. And hey, look, it's people stuff. We got our PXV 410A aftermarket, and that's the adjustment point right there, as we know. Y'all know what that is. That's there, everything's right. This goes up, goes all the way down, back to our condenser. Now, interesting. Tack welded on there. Welds and vibration don't really work together, but okay. This again is vibrating a lot, as you can see here. Look at that. Everything's vibrating like crazy. Okay. So, anyways, safe at all. Wouldn't want to be underneath this thing when there's an earthquake. I'll tell you that. All right. So our belief here is that our thermostat. Our thermostat. That's our thermostat. That's our smoke detector, induct smoke detector. Started acting up. Well, we're not here to open up the smoke detector, so we don't know. There was an electrician here earlier. He shut down all the power for all the air handlers and all the condensers and all the stuff in the world. We don't know why he did it. I guess he was superstitious. Well, it's been running for half an hour. No flames, no fire, nothing stopped. Motor's running strong. Everything's good. I think we're gonna call it a wrap. Refrigerant level is back to normal after we let the unit run for about 10 minutes after moving the signs and everything. It looked right. It worked good. So I'm gonna have Pablo button up because that's what Pablo does here. Pablo, say goodbye. We'll see you guys later. And as Pablo says in some Argentinian town that he's from, how do you say bye?
Hasta luego.
Hasta La Vegas.